Hi everyone, it's Gwyneth Jemima, the girl who dreams to inspire others through her craft. As productive as I may seem, I also get so lazy. I sometimes tend to procrastinate a lot and end up doing mediocre outputs. But good news, I have identified tips to fix my laziness problems. Having that said, for this video, I am going to share 3 study habits for lazy students backed up with research. Instead of having to study the whole lesson again for hours, one time saving tip would be to actively learn in class. Apply whatever hack that would help you concentrate in class. May that be through avoiding the use of social media, taking down notes, or engaging in the discussion. What I do is I take down notes, I think of possible questions to ask, and I set a specific place in the house for studying. It's because I usually fall asleep when I listen to my synchronous classes in bed. Right after the synchronous class, summarize the lesson as if you are teaching someone who has no idea about the topic. In this way, you would know if you have learned a lot in the class or not. It would also help you remember the lesson more without having to sacrifice your leisure time for studying. Several studies shows that this practice is more effective than repeated studying, such as the 2008 research entitled The Critical Importance of Retrieval for Learning and the 2013 research entitled Improving Students' Learning with Effective Learning Techniques, Promising Directions from Cognitive and Educational Psychology. The next tip would be to build a routine. In my case, I always wake up at 6:30 a.m. Then, I pray, read the Bible, and do some devotion. Afterward, I take a bath and eat my breakfast. Then, I enter the class. I only have a morning routine because what I do throughout the day differs from the tasks that I have. If I don't have schoolworks, I focus on my school organizations. If I have schoolworks, I do it right away. However, I always make sure that I practice microproductivity and active recalling in my routine. I also sometimes take a nap after class to help me rest. Researchers have repeatedly discovered that students who get up early tend to have better academic performance and procrastinate less. In addition, having good academic ethics is also linked to better academic performance, which can be achieved through having good study habits. But of course, we have different habits. As long as it works for you, then you do you. Any type of routine will do, like making exercise a daily habit or having a reward system at night. But do not forget to add spices to your day, as repetitive, monotonous daily habits might make you more exhausted than productive. Always strive to be productive, not busy. I know big and arduous tasks can be so overwhelming for you, and choosing to delay and procrastinate might be an easier thing to do, but that would only cause you to deliver mediocre output, and we don't want that. A good way to handle these types of tasks is to break them down into smaller tasks. That's what we call microproductivity. Instead of doing a huge task in one sitting for maybe 5 to 10 hours, you can do them little by little, maybe around 30 minutes a day. To do this, you must set a daily, clear, attainable, and measurable target goal. For example, you need to pass the first chapter of your quantitative research in a week. For day 1, you may create an outline of the things needed in the said chapter and divide those to your co-members. For days 2 to 4, you may check on your group mates and finish the task assigned. Then, you may allocate day 5 for revision and the rest. According to researcher Edwin Locke, the proponent of the goal-setting theory, applying this to your big projects will boost your overall task performance. You cannot move a mountain. That's why we need to take baby steps to overcome tremendous tasks. A Google Chrome extension that helped me to efficiently apply microproductivity and remove distractions is Otto, a Pomodoro timer and website blocker. I have been using this since last month, as seen in my Buhay ni Gwai series, and it really works. If you would open the extension, there is a built-in Pomodoro timer in which you can customize. You can also see the daily distraction graph to help you evaluate and reflect. There are also other features such as auto block of websites and other future features like hard mode and break mode. You can put websites you want to put in the block list section. Meanwhile, in the Pro version, you can see more features like unlimited auto block, top sites usage, and weekly website usage in minutes. If you want to download this extension, kindly use my link. It is also in the description down below. Rest assured that this extension will help you become more productive and organized in your tasks. I hope that you found this video very helpful. For more study and productivity tips, subscribe to my channel. That's all for today. See you at the next one. Ciao!